guys, it's Kimberly here. So if you didn't know, I recently colored my hair this year. So now it's like a light blonde and brown. And I feel like my curls just have not been the same ever since. So I created a little mixture, and this is something that's not new. Natural girls have been doing this for a while now, so I just wanted to give it a try on my hair. I actually never done it before, but I read some great stuff about it, and that's just using mayo on your hair. So to make this mix, I'm going to start by grabbing mayo. You can use any mayo brand that you want. This is just the one I had in my fridge. You want to choose mayo that has a lot of fat. So mayonnaise is really good for your hair, and it's going to help restore that moisture that you're missing and also help with hair shine, frizzy hair, and any damage to your hair. Make sure that you pick up regular mayo and one that's not low fat. Okay, so next I'm going to grab 2 eggs. Eggs have a high amount of vitamin A, D, and E, and they also promote hair growth while making sure that your hair does not fall out. It's another source of protein that will go great in this mixture. And lastly, I'm just grabbing some olive oil. So because there's a lot of protein in this mix, we don't want our hair to get hard. So olive oil helps soften your hair. Okay, so after I had all my ingredients out, I went ahead and grabbed a bowl. And the first thing I'm doing is cracking my eggs. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put however many spoons of mayo that I think I need. So I'm really not measuring. I know I have a lot of hair and my hair is kind of thick, so I'm just putting enough mayo that I think is going to cover my hair. Lastly, I'm just going to go ahead and add olive oil. You don't want to add too much because it will make it very liquidy. I'm honestly just eyeballing it. And after that, I go ahead and mix everything together. I have my little mixture here and it smells nasty. Oh. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. And if you just look, it just looks so dry. I feel like my curls are just losing its life. So hopefully this will give me the results that I need. Okay, so I kind of wanted to work this in my hair while it's dry, because if it was wet, it would kind of leak through the wrap, and I didn't want that. Nothing's worse than like mayo dripping from your hair. Gross. So I just put this section in a ponytail, and then I'm going to split this section here into 2. My hair is so thick, so it's better if I just work in smaller sections. Maybe I should put a towel on. Yeah, let's put a towel on. I actually like this shirt. Oh, it smells so bad. It's like right in front of me and I could just smell it. I didn't realize I hate the smell of mayo as I do right now. It's in my hand. Ugh, okay. So I'm just gonna go slow as possible and just try to coat every single curly hair strain with this mixture. And definitely take your time because you want to make sure that you get it in every curl that you can. If you see me make some faces, that's because this stuff really stinks. I almost cursed. It's crazy because I love mayo. It's actually my favorite condiment. Like I hate you guys, I hate ranch. I hate dressing. I hate most sauces. So I actually love mayo, and right now I hate it. Okay. All right, let's move on. I don't even want my scrunchie to smell like mayo. So I wonder if I made enough, because I feel like I just used a lot. That's what happens. My hair looks so short, but it's so thick that I use so much product. It's crazy. Oh, I hope I don't get this on my floor. Ah, it's dripping. Ah, so much for making sure my hair is not even wet. Imagine if it was wet. It would be everywhere at this point. I wonder if my hair is like thanking me, or is it just mad? Like, what are you doing? Because like, honestly, like, I don't know if this is gonna work. Like I've seen a lot of natural girls do it and they had great results, but again, not everything works on your hair type. Especially for me, like I have color in my hair. So I wonder if this is gonna work. We'll see. Ignore my facial expressions. And then don't forget, you gotta get the front of your hair too. You need to get this all throughout your hair. No cheating. Worst thing is like if it hits my face. I need to stop being a chicken. Dang, my hair is just so thick. If you hear me, if you watch any of my other videos, that is all I talk about, how thick my hair is. Alright, so I'm on the last section of my hair, and literally I have just enough just to cover this section. So if your hair is a little bit longer than mine, make sure to make some more. Okay, so right now I'm just going to run my fingers throughout my whole hair just to make sure I got it all over. I think I gotten used to the smell because it's not as bad. It's still bad, but it's definitely not as bad. So because my head is so freaking big, I usually put 2 of these on my head. Kind of use one for the left side and then one for the right. Okay, and I'm gonna use a plastic bag. Like literally, I do not want this to drip anywhere. So thank you, Target, for this bag. I'm gonna leave this in my hair for about 2 hours, let it penetrate and get all in throughout the hair. And after that, I'm gonna rinse it off. So after I rinse this out in the shower, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Shea Moisture Argan Oil and Almond Milk just to shampoo it out. And then I'm gonna use my favorite conditioner, the Raw Shea Butter. So after that, I'll come back out and show you what my hair looks like, and I'll tell you if I thought it was worth it or not. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I'm not naked, I have a towel on, but listen, when I tell you my hair is so defined, like I'm not even making this up, it's crazy. If I didn't care for my hair to be like extremely defined, I wouldn't even put gel on my hair now. And it's just crazy that I've never done this before. So this is literally without any product on my hair. Like here's a close-up of my curls, and this is crazy. Like it made my hair stand out so much, and I don't have any product. Like this is life. So if you haven't tried Mayo on your hair before, what are you waiting for? Like I just feel like I honestly don't even need any product. It's so defined. Like look at that, you can just see my curl pattern. This is crazy. To me, this really worked. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish styling my hair, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay guys, I'm back and I just finished styling my hair. It's about 30% dry, but this is typically how I would go out and just let it air dry. So this was a thumbs up. No, literally, like I feel like I haven't seen my curls this defined naturally in so long, and it was so worth it. But yeah, so I recommend that you guys give this a try if you haven't already. And if you do, let me know how you like it in the comment section. But other than that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe so you can see all my other videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!